yung mga posibleng kaso na kakaharapin ng mga unauthorized disclosure of these classified documents?
Good
May
afternoon.
na-identify tayo, dalawang batas yun pero please elucidate us.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair. With regards to the cases that will be filed, it was already, as you mentioned, it was already disclosed in this committee. As to the position of the DOJ, particularly with the National Prosecution Service, the usual procedure is somebody should, whether the legal enforcement agency or the private complainant, will file a case in our office before we conduct any evaluation, a preliminary investigation, whether to file it in court. So as of now, we are not in the position to give an opinion as to if there is a case or not. That is all, Honorable Chair.
Thank you. May sinate yung isang resource person natin dati, Graft and Corrupt Practices Act at saka yung Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards of Public Officials and Employees. May posible silang na-violate na provisions doon.
Yes, that is possible, Your Honor, but
Possible.
you have to gather first all the evidences, the
Okay.
testimonies of the witnesses, and then, by then, if the complainant, whether from the agency or from a private sector, has all the complete evidences to prove that the elements of the crime are present, then that is the time that they can file it with our office or with the ombudsman, wherever they wish to file their cases.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Meron pa kayong utang sa akin, DOJ.
Yes, Your
mabuti na naalala ko ngayon. Tagal ko na hiningi yung inyong DOJ opinion about doon sa perya. Masakit
Perya.
sa ulo yung perya na yun dahil nga sino yung taga DOJ no na hiningan natin? Hindi ba yung si Miko Clabano? Sino? Meron tayong hiningan, matagal na hinintay dahil yun nga, tumawag na advice ko doon sa police hanggat wala pa yung DOJ opinion kung talaga bang kasama yan sa illegal gambling, yung colored games, ay huwag sila muna manghuli. Pero ngayon, ang problema, nagreklamo na daw yung may mga parents na doon, nagreklamo na yung mga anak nila, nandoon na, hindi na pumapasok sa eskwelahan, sige na lang sugal doon sa peryahan, kaya they will be remiss on their duties kung hindi nila aksyonan, hindi nila i-raid. So, yun ang problema ng police. So, please give us the legal opinion kasi sabi ng abogado ng peryahan, kasama na yun sa permit na in-apply nila. Sabi naman ng PNP, kasama yan, pero that is illegal dahil game of chance yan. That's gambling. So, please, this is another topic, ha?
Yes,
Pero
Your
please,
Honor. We
ako
will
this,
comply, Your Honor.
please,
Just give us time because
help us para ang police din, matulungan din sila, mag-guide din sila.
and we'll take note and coordinate with your staff, Your Honor.
Thank you, attorney. Yeah. Si Kumbala, attorney Alden Reuben Luna, State Council. Pakipaloob sa kanya, baka may research na siya dito, tapos makapagbigay na kanyang opinion. Ayan. Bakit pangangalagaan ng gusto? Bakit security classified yung documents na yan? At ano yung mga implications, yung mga unauthorized disclosure nito? At ang pwedeng kakaharapin ng mga administrative or criminal case ng mga tao na unauthorized disclosure of these classified documents. So please prepare in the next hearing. Thank you, Mr. Sorry, kumakain ka na disturbo ko yung kain mo. Thank you. Yung yung sinasabi mo na 2 minutes na
Drug test siya.
drug test, that forms part for another investigation, ha? ikuha natin yung PDEA na magtanong doon sa yung drug testing facility niyan. You want to say something? Go ahead.
Your Honor, can I just say something regarding the drug test? The agency in charge of monitoring and regulating drug testing centers is not the PDEA. It is the Department of Health. And I also checked with our laboratory service, kapag 2 minutes lang daw po yung lumabas yung results, it means negative. So hindi na kailangan ng confirmatory test. So talagang 2 minutes lang kailangan. Yun po ang sabi ng laboratory service namin. I just checked now.
2 minutes lang, labas ka ng result.
Sir, kapag 2 minutes, wala pang
Walang
wala
nakita.
pang lumalabas, negative na yan. O, wala pang reactions, negative na yan. So there is no more need for any confirmatory test.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Your Honor, mas maganda mismo yung chemist mismo ang magsabi. Hindi lang po yung sabi lang. Para at
Hindi,
least malinawan po, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung kausap mo is, sir? Kausap mo is chemist?
Yes, with our laboratory service, Your Honor.
Pangalan?
No, he was formerly with the compliance service, part of his job. Director Carion, Your Honor.
Director?
Carion.
Carion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Si...
Derek.
Si Derek?
Yes, Your Honor.
Andito ba?
No, sir, he's in the office. We are communicating with him.
Please, let him explain next hearing.
Yes, sir.
Yung matapos na yung mga issue na yan.
Of course, sir, we
explain
would
niya.
like, we haven't seen the report yet. We would like to know who conducted the drug test. I'm not
Sino
sure.
sana yung papel ko, Kumsek?
Your Honor, si Director Carion, di naman siya chemist, Your Honor.